everyone, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I've been trying to get better at not opening my packages right away and just go straight on into filming. I have found this product on Facebook sometime in 2019, probably towards the end, at least during the last 4 months of 2019, I want to say. So I knew about this already because I'm sure everyone has seen it in their Facebook ads. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Billie razors right here. Like I said, I've known about it for a long time, and then I decided not to get it, and then waited a long time, and then recently I was watching Jessica Braun's video. I'll link it up in the cards, but she did mention that she got these recently and how good it was, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get it now. I think she does have an affiliate link, but I think I just did it without the affiliate link because I wasn't sure if she had one or not. Yeah, I got these and I have not opened it yet. It actually just came today, so we're gonna open that together. Got my scissors. Oh, that's cute. In the inside it says hi, hello, with 2 hearts like sunglasses, and it says time to give your lady bod some love. That's nice. Okay, so this was open. It probably just came undone because it's like a Ziploc bag. Oh, and then down, and then down here has a lip, a mouth. It says got questions, let's talk, hello at mybillie.com. And on the side it says mybillie.com, and on the other side it says, oh boy, the new body brands. That's really nice. So this is such a cute package, and I feel like it's very eco-friendly. Don't at me. I just feel like it is. And on the back it says the new body brand, mybillie.com. The first thing I see, Billie box. On the back it just has the, oh, this is blown out, the recyclable sign, mybillie.com, 2019 Billie Incorporated, New York. I want to show you all the fine details, and we're gonna slide it out. Let's see, there we go. Oh boy, oh boy. It's okay, it was just the cap. We're okay. We're gonna do that again. So there were different colors to choose from, not a ton of colors, but a good amount. And it first asks you which color is talking to you, basically. And I picked this color. I will put the name of it on the screen. Let's put the cap back on. So here's the cap. So this is what the product looks like. So it's a little lavender on top, pink on the bottom, and a blue little push thing so you can change your blades. Almost forgot the name of that. And then let's see what else we have in here. We have a little pamphlet. It is basically a guide introducing the razor, the different products that you get with it. So you get the Billie handle, so I chose that handle, and then you get the 5-blade razor cartridge encased in a charcoal olive shave soap. Pretty cool. And then you get the holder. Magically it connects your handle. So in their shave cream, ultra lathering body wash, and soothing body lotion, which I did not get, does say it's vegan, non-GMO, and gluten-free, no parabens or sulfates, no synthetic fragrances, and no animal testing. That was the page before. This was the first page. Then it says a guide to replacing your blade and attaching your holder. I like this little pamphlet idea, that's really neat. Basically their got questions page with their email and their Instagram handle, which is just @Billie. Ooh, oh wait, no, this is the travel case that I got separately. That's what I paid for. So I thought that would be good to have. This is the little holder that I got. Pop that open, kind of like a retainer case, and close it shut, and it protects your razor, and it has holes at the bottom so it doesn't grow mold and doesn't get disgusting. All right, I'm guessing this little pack, oh yep, a holder for your handle. Then it says it's magical. Oh, this is a little hard to open. That's tiny. Apply it to a clean, dry surface. That's the sticky stuff. Let's see. Okay, I can feel the magnetation. Where is this? Oh, right there. So it's right there, and you just stick it. That's pretty neat. I like that. I'm gonna put that back in the little bag. It's just a very tiny bag. Just trying to fit everything back into there. And let's see, we got more. There's a lot of products in here. Oh, that's cool. It came with a sample of the Billie Dry By Body Lotion with grapeseed and shea butter. I'm gonna have to look more at the ingredients of this with all my allergies, but that's pretty cool how we got a little sample of that. And then what else do we get? My subscription is the 3-month one, which is the least amount of blades and maybe handles that you get. So I'm guessing this last one, or maybe I only sent 2. Yeah, I only got 2 blades, one on the handle. Yeah, and then this other sample is a shave cream with aloe vera and sage. Once again, I need to look at the ingredients for that. There's that. I think that's so nice. There's so much more in there than I was expecting. And I like that they included samples of their cream and lotion products so that you can try it out instead of kind of winging it and buying it. If you don't like it, well, then you feel bad about returning it most likely. So I like that idea and how there were actual samples in there. Very cute, very nice. Is cute the right word to describe that? Probably not, and it's okay. So that was all that was in my Billie bag. There we go. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos on beauty, fashion, and health. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I do upload, which is between 1 to 2 times a week. Comment down below if you have these razors yourself and what you think of them. I would love to know. And if you actually do plan on buying this either after this video or just in general, you've been really curious about it. When I do try this out, I will put an update in my description box. I'll tell you how I like it. So yeah, that's about it, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye!